Welcome back to the channel. 7. Welcome back to Hong Kong. Doodz TV. Hit the subscribe button and 1, 2, 3, mash. Give this video a huge thumbs up. And 1, 2, 3. Mama, are we right here?
Hey, do you guys want lunch?
Yeah!
Ooh. What do you guys want?
Happy Meals?
Happy Meals?
Yeah.
From McDonald's?
My mom.
So these guys want McDonald's, but it's, you know, part of the pandemic. Stay at home if you're able to, so how can we do Happy Meals? Do you think you can make our own?
Yeah. Happy Meals. Happy Meals.
Chicken nuggets and
oh shit, Happy Meals.
wow. Okay, that's not
Oh shit, Happy Meals.
wow. I think we can do this whole Happy Meal thing from home. I think we have some Happy Meal boxes. I got some toys. I think we have apples, we have yogurts, we have chicken nuggets and french fries. So let me go find all the items and then we're gonna make our own Happy Meals from home.
Many unbearable hours later.
Now all we need is a chef and 2 hungry dude bros. Alright, I brought my chef up, Chef Weston. How are you doing today, Chef Weston?
Good.
Alright, we have our plates. We have our chicken nuggets, we have our french fries, we have our yogurts, and we have 2 apples. Do we have 1 hungry boy?
No.
2 hungry boys?
Ivan's over there.
Oh jeez. Ivan is not participating again. So Weston, do you want a 4-piece nugget or a 6-piece nugget? 6-piece nugget? Alright, we'll give Ivan a 4-piece nugget.
I just put 1 chicken nugget.
1 down. Alright, put 10 down.
We only have 3 more left and then that's all. Yeah, we only had 6 some left.
So we have an error.
Oh no!
I did not check our chicken nugget inventory. And we didn't have 10 nuggets, we only had 9.
Yeah, maybe because Mommy made lava dinner.
Alright, so guess we don't have enough nuggets for a 6-piece and a 4-piece. So Weston's gonna get a 5-piece and Ivan's gonna get a 4-piece. So we got 5 nuggets on that row and we got 4 nuggets on this row. Weston, can you put some fries down on our baking sheet?
Just spread them out after.
Wow,
Yeah,
Weston, you are one of the best Happy Meal chefs I have ever seen. What do you think about that?
Yeah.
Wait, how much do these Happy Meals cost?
$102.
What? For a Happy Meal?
Actually, 111.
Oh my God.
Actually, 120.
There's no way a Happy Meal should be over $100. Oh, are you in jail?
Mhm.
Are you in Happy Meal jail?
Mhm.
Did you try stealing a Happy Meal?
Yeah.
Let's go sideways like this. Close up the door. All right, let's check the temperature. We have it on bake. And we are on and cooking. I'm gonna cut the apples so that the boys don't have to handle a knife, obviously. There's our apple slices for the Happy Meals. Let me try one of these. I approve. Pretty good apples. Alright, so we just waited about 15 minutes. We cooked the nuggets and the fries in the toaster oven. So let's get these bad boys out and see how they look. Oh yeah. Alright, so I got the boxes put together. Just pop those up nice and quick. Alright, I got the boxes all put together. I got the 4 toys. See, I'm the coolest McDonald's because I give 2 toys per Happy Meal. So I got 1, 2, 1, 2. Alright, and then we have their yogurts that are gonna go in. We don't have the traditional Go-Gurts, but we have these awesome Danimal smoothies, Star Wars editions. I got 1 Chef Weston.
And these smell so good, I can smell them from right here.
Wait, are you talking about the food or your feet?
And my food?
We have our Happy Meal boxes with 2 toys and yogurts in them. We have our apples. We have our French fries. And we have our chicken nuggets. Let's put them on our plates.
Put them on our plate. Now.
So we have a 5-piece nugget and we have a 4-piece nugget. We have some extra apples that Daddy can eat.
I'll eat those.
Alright, I'm gonna go get these boys set up and serve them at the table. And then we're gonna wrap our video up. Alright, we got the Happy Meals over at the table now.
I'm gonna check mine.
Weston's gonna check out his toys.
What?
What are they, Weston?
This.
Toy Story 4s? Who's that, Bo Peep?
And this is.
Ooh, Ducky and Bunny. Let's see what Ivan gets.
He gets nothing.
What? They fell out of the wrapper.
Look at-
Oh, it's Jessie.
Jessie. What? What?
What is that?
What?
Who else is that? Ooh, that 3 aliens.
How does Ivan get 3 of them?
The alien smasher. Look at that, Ivan. We made our own Happy Meals when you were away from the video. What do you think about that?
Thanks for watching, guys. We're gonna eat our lunch. Thanks.